One of the things that was great about my time at Kent was getting involved with the Institute for Compliance.
Specifically, compliance in financial institutions. And that involved all of the insane topics that relate to compliance that you really don't think about when you think of compliance. Insider trading, money laundering, the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act.
Hi, I'm Felice Batlan, and I'm Director of the Institute for Compliance at Chicago Kent. We do three things. Our first goal is to offer a rich curriculum in financial regulation to our students. We also find internships, externships, and full-time positions for our students in major financial institutions. Finally, we host a large range of conferences and lectures, which are open to the Chicago compliance community as well as the general public. I look forward to seeing you at Chicago Kent.
The curriculum at Chicago Kent for the Compliance Institute is absolutely rich in content.
It's an exciting course. We go through some of the great financial disasters in recent times, and we try to train our students to take on the compliance challenges of the future.
I've taken business organization, securities regulation, compliance in financial institutions, and I have a full slate lined up next year that I'm pretty excited about.
Well, our students are an active and challenging crowd who want to know why these failures have taken place, what can be done to prevent them.
I love this class. I think it's different from other classes in my law school.
In the past few years, the regulatory demands on financial institutions have just exploded, and with that, the demand for compliance professionals. And often these institutions are looking for lawyers.
From what I can see, there's opportunities all over the place. Before I started at Vivaldi, I was at BMO Harris, where I was doing both regulatory and some compliance work in commercial banking.
All this coursework is really interesting to me. It's led me to consider a career in compliance.
I know that all of the major financial institutions in the city are doing a lot of active hiring and recruiting of people, and that although they might not say JD preferred, 95% of these jobs are going to JDs.
And a good start on that career would be my summer externship at FINRA in their market surveillance department. We work with all manner of exchanges and broker-dealers to watch out for market manipulation, to take action against those, to investigate those issues, and keep the markets clean. It's a very fast-paced and exciting environment to be in every day.
I think when I go back to China, it can be serviced better than before for clients who do want to localize their regulations in China and want to implement SEC regulations even in their China branch. And I have skills to better communicate with the employer and employee to give this concept of the compliance. This is really important.
The career chats are especially helpful in my opinion. I always enjoyed attending as many as possible to see real compliance professionals stand up and talk about their industry, talk about their jobs, connect with students a little bit, and just kind of tell us what it's all about. It's a great way to get a window into the industry.
I think one of the overlooked aspects about working in compliance is that you get access and get involved with really interesting problems right off the bat.
During my 2L year, I was able to work on law review, and one of the notes that Professor Batlan had recommended was one on the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act, which I wrote, and it was a really enjoyable experience.
I'm also working as a paid research assistant on a compliance textbook focusing on all manner of manipulation, trading ahead, insider trading, that sort of thing.
I've now just taken a position as Director of Compliance at Vivaldi Capital Management. One of the things that I've learned already, having been there for about a month, is that many of the topics that we covered have been right on point, and I'm using that knowledge today.